Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. It has been a little while since I have gotten to visit with you, so I hope everyone's doing good, and let me know if you have put your Christmas tree up or not yet. We have put two little ones up so far, and I still plan on putting a big one up in this corner. Today I am going to be sharing with you a little Christmas shopping haul. My daughter and I have been shopping at a few different stores, and I found some really cute, inexpensive things, so I just wanted to share them with you just in case you would like to purchase them too. So first, I think I'm going to start out with Target. Okay, I have seen several people sharing this on Instagram, and this is a vase filler by Opal House. Sorry my light's reflecting, but these are the prettiest little bottle brush trees. And they come, I believe, in two colors, and they are $14.99. And it just says vase filler, Opal House. Okay, next I found the cutest little retro Christmas ornaments. These little deer, and they were $3, and there's two in a pack. Let's see if you can see them better that way. And they also come in blue, and my favorite, pink. So I'm going to be doing a mini Christmas tree DIY soon, so I think I'm going to use those little deer on my tree. Okay, and also these are the warm white twinkling LED dewdrop lights. They're LED, and these are from Wonder Shop at Target, and they're $6 a box. And I put them on a little mini tree that I picked up at Walmart, and it looks so pretty, and they do have a timer. So these are $6, and they're warm white twinkling lights, and it does have a timer, and they're for indoor only, and it's 9 feet 7 inches, just in case anyone needs some twinkling lights. And then in the Target Bullseye Playground or Dollar Spot, look at these little gift toppers, $1 each. And let's see, it says, oh by gosh, by golly. So I picked up two of these. And then in the Christmas section at Target, they had these cute little, I guess they're Christmas ornaments. Yes, it's a $3 Christmas ornament, Wonder Shop at Target, and they're metal. And they had green and red and white in these. So I picked up two of them. So one for my daughter and one for me. And so they're $3 each, and 3 different colors. Well, actually red, green, blue, and white, so 4 different colors. And then if you do a lot of baking, aren't these cute? And these are $1 each, and they also had red and white striped, and goodness, I think there was 4 or 5 patterns, but these are only $1, and they are the Threshold brand. So they seem to be really good quality, especially for $1. And then I picked up a gift set, and this is a mascara gift set from Target. I believe it was $14.99, but mascara is so expensive, and my daughter and I were both needing some. So I happened to find this little gift set for $14.99, and it's also from Target. And if you would like for me to do like a gift guide type of video, let me know, and we will share some of the things that we think would make great budget-friendly gifts. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of this type of videos. Okay, I think that's it from Target. So now we're starting with Walmart. Okay, look at these. This one says, "'Tis the season." These are also metal from Walmart. This one says, "Deck the halls." And these are Better Homes and Garden brand. I don't know if you can see that or not. But I want to say these are $4 each. And then they also had a white one with a red reindeer on it. And these are from Walmart. And then, I don't know if you like to set up a little hot chocolate or coffee bar, but look at this. Cocoa. It's ceramic. You don't have to put hot chocolate in it if you don't want the little packets. I think I will, because my daughter and I like hot chocolate at this time of the year. And this one is Holiday Time Candy Jar, and I believe this one was only $3.98, and it's a pretty good size. So I thought this was really cute. I like the way the top's made too. Okay, let's see. Also from Walmart, I picked up these little angel Christmas ornaments, and they were $1.98 and they're holiday time brand. But what I think I'm going to do is put my kids' names either right across here or right across here. I usually get them a Christmas ornament every Christmas, and so I thought this year I'm going to add their names to these and add these on the Christmas tree. Okay, then also this is from Walmart, and these are the holiday time, and these are their twinkling lights. It's LED random twinkle warm white mini lights, and this is 22 feet long, and it's for indoor and outdoor, and it has the green wire. And I wanted to buy some at Target like this, but the Target ones were like $40, and so I just thought that was just out of my price range. So I went over to Walmart and I bought like 3 boxes of these for the price of 1 at Walmart. Okay, and then I also stopped by Kirkland's and I picked up this little tin bucket, and it says Tree Farm Christmas Greenery, 50 cents each. Sorry, and it's a pretty big bucket. And so I'm also going to put, I picked up a Walmart Christmas tree for $20 that I shared in an earlier video. And so it just has a burlap bottom, so I think I'm going to sit the tree in this. So that was my thought on this one from Kirkland. And it's $17.99, but they run daily specials, and I think we got this one for around $10. So you'll just have to check with Kirkland's, because the past few days they've been running like the buckets, signs, cute things at good prices. So just check on that. This also came in red, and it has a distressed look. I don't know if you could tell from the video, but I really think it's pretty. Okay, now this isn't Christmas right here, but just in case you're wanting some more fall or Halloween decor, Michael's has theirs fall and Halloween 70% off. So this vase was $24.99, and I believe I paid, or not vase, candlestick holder, was $24.99, and I believe I paid $7.50 for it. So 70% off Halloween, and this is Halloween, but you can use it any season. You could paint it if you wanted to, and it's pretty tall. It's at least 12 inches. And then this one was in the fall section, and it was $24.99, so around $7.50 is all I had to pay. And I thought, you know, you can make a floral arrangement in it. In the fall, you can just layer it with pumpkins for a centerpiece. So lots of options for this. And this one came from Michael's, so 70% off fall and Halloween at Michael's. And also Walmart at my store, Halloween went 90% off. So if you need some Halloween decorations, 90% off at Walmart. And then one of my favorite finds, I'm sorry I had these in the floor, is from TJ Maxx, and it's Christmas. Sorry, just give me a second. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see these, but aren't these pretty? These are little star Christmas tree, like picks that you put in the top of your Christmas tree. These are from TJ Maxx. Let's see, I think they were $7.99. So $7.99, so I'm going to put these in the top of my Christmas tree, the big one that I'm going to put right there. And then also something else for the top of the Christmas tree. Look at these. I think these are my favorite. These beautiful pine cone picks. So there's only 3 picks in a bundle, and these were $9.99 for a bundle at TJ Maxx. And so I just picked up a couple of these. So I know this type of thing sells fast. So if you want some new picks for your Christmas tree, I picked these up at TJ Maxx. And so I think that's it for my Christmas shopping haul. I hope everyone's doing good, and I am going to have some Christmas DIYs coming up this week. So I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.